Google One AI Premium is a subscription service offering access to Google's cutting-edge Gemini Advanced AI alongside enhanced storage and premium features across various Google services. Priced at $20 per month, with discounts available for Verizon customers and free access for eligible U.S. college students until July 2026. The plan provides 2 terabytes of storage across Google Drive, Photos, and Gmail. The core attraction is Gemini Advance, a powerful AI model integrated into Gmail, Docs, Slides, and other Google apps, assisting users with writing, designing, organization, and workflow acceleration. Additional AI-powered tools include Notebook LM Plus, offering enhanced research and writing capabilities with increased usage limits, and a deep research feature allowing comprehensive, real-time analysis of numerous websites. Other perks include unlimited Magic Editor saves in Google Photos and priority access to future innovations. While user reviews are largely positive, praising Gemini's capability and the overall value, some criticisms highlight occasional inconsistencies in AI responses and the lack of an annual subscription option. Compared to alternatives like ChatGPT Plus or Copilot Pro, Google One AI Premium offers a unique blend of AI assistants across Google's ecosystem, making it a strong contender for users heavily invested in Google's suite of applications, particularly those who value integration of advanced AI tools into their daily workflow.